Hi guys, this is Carrie from A Crone's Life. Today we're doing an unboxing. I'm not sure. Oh, this is a Kickstarter. Basically what happened was this person decided to do a Kickstarter. The first run, they did not succeed, and I was willing to back the first run. So I went ahead and backed it the next time it came around. And, albeit to say, it was successful. So this is the Oracle of Wong Sin. My book is a little messed up. So, funny thing, because I backed it the first time, he sent everything to us in PDFs. So I have seen digital images of all of this before. I had no idea the book was going to be so big. This is amazing. I love this. But I actually have read most of the guidebook because it was just sitting there, and why not? I was very interested in the deck. He calls each of the cards chims, so I need to learn more about that. And it's based on oracles that they have been doing in the East for thousands of years. So the history of it just blows my mind, and I'm very, very, very excited to learn about it. Each of the cards is a piece of a story, and it starts with an emperor. I'm trying to remember what the emperor did, but it starts with the emperor because it's like the ordained the I can't remember what it's called, but when he first comes into power. Yes. Well, look. Well, that's lovely. 100 oracle cards from the belief of Wong Sin. Cao Chim, a traditional fortune-telling oracle. Cao Chim, also known as Chinese fortune sticks, is a centuries-old divination method in China. It involves shaking a cylinder filled with numbered sticks until one falls out, which is then interpreted by a fortune teller. Very cool. Well, maybe I'll make some chims, some sticks. Always looking for another craft project. So this is the backs. Not crazy about the writing, but at least I won't be confused what I'm doing. The itsy bitsy Ella was eating an Oreo. Brown amount of else made her grandmother go, oh. Singing to her made her smile so big. Hello. Hi. She's learning how to talk. Whoops! Sorry. My fish fell. Well, I can tell this is going to be a very busy year. I have so many decks to play with, do spreads and daily draws and reading guidebooks and doing videos. It's going to be so much fun. We're having a great start. Okay, that's the last one. The Oracle of Wong Tai-sin. And now we both know that that is actually the divination method, is Wong Tai-sin. Alright guys, thanks for checking this out. I'll talk to you later. Actually, I'll talk to you now. I was just going to show you, they're exactly the same size as a traditional tarot, so just so that you know.